Hello, my friends. Susannah here with the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group and the August 2026 monthly challenge. This month we are going to do wall angels. This is great for posture and mobility for shoulders and upper back, okay? So are you ready? We're going to start by addressing posture even before we do the actual exercise, which is so important because this exercise is going to help counteract that head forward position as well as a rounded upper back situation, right? And let's begin standing on 2 feet. Please take 2 fingers on your dominant hand. Dominant, it doesn't really matter, but take 2 fingers and you're going to press back. Okay, so you might jut forward a little bit, exaggerate what you don't want, but then push back and you're going to feel the neck muscles lengthening and strengthening. Good. Take those same 2 fingers, hover at your crown right at the fontanelle spot, and then push up, lengthen up. Decompress your spine and release your arms. Good. Beginning in really good posture. Now let's work those shoulder blades. Go to a wall. You'll want to lean back into the wall. You might notice that I actually have a radiator in front of my wall. It's a narrow radiator, and that's okay because you can step 6 inches in front, and then your upper back is leaning into the wall, pressing into the wall, and your head. Bring your arms into goalpost position, and see if you can press your arms and the back of your hands into the wall too. We will be moving at slightly different ranges of motion given our individual anatomy and flexibility. So begin your movement, do your wall angels. Come up, trying to maintain the back of the hands and the arms at the wall. There we go up. So pressing into the wall is giving you a level of resistance. Great. Do 8 to 10 of these. Now, let's say that wasn't so comfortable for you. Well, that's okay. You could do this without the wall as well, or instead of. And when you do it without the wall, you'll find that you'll have more mobility, okay? Perhaps. So you could bring your elbows into the rib cage and then come all the way up and cross at the wrists. Great. And now let's head over to a door frame for one more variation, similar exercise. Okay, so go to a door, an open door. So I'm going to show you this exercise both directions because I don't have a door in the way. So we'll bring our arms into that same goalpost position, go to your door frame and press. Oh, that feels so good. Press. Great. And I will now show that to you from the other side, from behind. Okay, ready? Here's my goalpost arms. And as I press, I can feel my shoulder blades coming together. Good. And that's it. So do some wall angels this month. Join the challenge. If you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, you can hop over to Facebook, go to groups, request to join. We'd love to have you. And you're watching this on my YouTube channel. I'm Susannah, and this is Forever Yoga with Susannah, my YouTube channel, where I have dozens of videos that are safe to do if you have low bone density, challenge videos, strength videos, and many yoga appropriate if you have osteoporosis videos. So if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. Click subscribe. And everyone, if you enjoyed this, please give a thumbs up, a like. I appreciate your likes. It helps with my algorithm, whatever. So I appreciate knowing that you're there. You can leave a comment below. You can head over to Facebook and let us all know how this month's challenge is going for you. All right, so have a great rest of your day. Namaste.